Hey, what's going on, everyone? So this is Fred, and in today's video, I just got my car back yesterday from a booking on Turo, and I'm just gonna go through my process of checking it in. So I'm gonna show you kind of everything. I'm gonna do a screen record of the photos I take and just kind of really how I do the whole process from receiving the car, checking it out, updating everything, photos and everything here. So let's get this done. All right, so the first thing that I do is I just kind of wipe everything down with Clorox wipes. Let's get in here. All right, so I just kind of wipe all the hot spots down. Get the steering wheel all wiped down. Everything here, the signal, everything that, you know, they likely touched. Just kind of my way of doing it. All of this. I'll get the signal here, and what I do is I also do the seatbelt. So I just pull it all out and I'll wipe it all. From what I see, it doesn't look like anyone sat in the back here. It's super clean. I think it's just a couple's weekend getaway. All right, do the same thing here. Wipe it all. I'm going to do the seatbelt here. And so these are the things that I use to clean my inside of my car with. So obviously I need to load up on the leather cleaner. Obviously one of the first things you want to check is your mileage to see how much they drove, and of course your gas tank. So I always give my cars full tank of gas, so customers return it with the same. The next thing here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a screen record through the Turo app just to show all the photos that I take and how I check my car back in. And then add photos, take photos. So there's really nothing wrong, no damage at all. And I think they only drove like 300 miles. So what I'm gonna do is just take photos. I did actually inspect the vehicle before this just to make sure there's no scratches, no dents. So usually I inspect it very well to make sure, and I just take kind of photos for formality. Yeah, there's nothing to report on this one as far as damage goes. I did check the trunk earlier, but let's make sure. See, everything looks good. No issues. And I'll just take photos of the inside. Again, just for formality. As you can see, they returned it, I mean, fairly clean. It was a 2.5 day booking. And if there was any concerns with the vehicle, definitely would take better photos. But again, nothing to be concerned about. So again, I'm just gonna take photos just for formality. Let's go here. All right. All right, we're done. Got them all. Attach photos. Save and continue. Oh, got to take the most important photo. The dashboard to verify the miles and the gas level. All right, so we got that. Attach photo, save and continue. Odometer, we got 44,979. Fuel level is full. Next. So yeah, it showed how many miles they drove, and you know, if there's anything you need to invoice them for, here's the options. Again, nothing, no issues there. So for example, if they didn't bring it back full, to go refueling, of course you would have to add a photo for evidence, and then enter the amount. So what you would do is you would get gas, and then you would upload a photo of the gas level, which it's actually in the photos already, but also the receipt to show how much fuel you got. And then as you can see, there's a $10 convenience charge if you had to do that. Additional distance. Yeah, so if they drove any extra there, you put that in there. But yeah, nothing there. Report, no damage to report. Yeah, I'll rate the trip later on. So what I'm gonna do later on is I'm gonna take it to get washed. The outside, the inside, of course, vacuum. Again, inside doesn't look too bad. I wiped it down already. I was gonna use my leather cleaner, which I gotta get some, and then glass cleaner, wipe it all down, the dashboard, clean it with the supplies that I showed you guys, and then have it ready to go. So right now I have it on a 12-hour advance booking, only because the car's not ready. I don't want to get a booking today for it. The fact that it came yesterday, I just need some time to get it turned over here. I'm on one-man show, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see content similar to this, and this is of course more for newer Turo hosts, so if there's any questions you guys got, want to get in the business, just have some questions, let me know in the comments and I will respond to you guys. Other than that, appreciate you guys watching. Thanks and take care.